Okay, you probably already know this, but WD-40 in the cans nowadays, there's a swivel right here. You can swivel that up and then press the top and it squirts out the end. You don't want it out the end, you leave that down. And there's an end right there. So when that's down, you can just spray it. Just push the button and spray. The first time I saw these cans, I wasn't quite sure how this worked. I was trying to pull this out, which this will come out, and I was trying to poke it in there. I didn't realize it swiveled up, or I thought it swiveled up another time. And then I thought, okay, that every time I have to use the WD, I have to pull this up and use it. That's hokey. Before I realized, hey, there's another one right there. Okay, now you know.
Fun.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.